Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is abode. It is pronounced abode, and it is spelt A-B-O-D-E. Think ab, and then ode. Abode means a place where someone lives or resides. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about a house or a home. For example, you could say, his abode was a small cabin in the woods. Or, the abode was comfortable and cozy. The word abode comes from the Old English word abode, which means dwelling place. It's pretty much the same meaning as today, actually. Can you think of any famous abodes from TV and film? How about SpongeBob SquarePants' Pineapple Under the Sea? Or the ice palace Elsa makes for herself in Frozen? Any place where someone lives can be called an abode. Synonyms for abode include dwelling, residence, and home. Antonyms for abode are transient, temporary, and homeless. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, abode. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.